First, open the Chase mobile app on your device or visit the Chase website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, select your checking account tab and tap on the Manage option. From there, locate the Overdraft Protection settings. Choose the None option and then tap Update to save your changes. Keep in mind that disabling overdraft protection means transactions may be declined if you don't have enough funds, and you could be charged non-sufficient funds (NSF) fees. To avoid overdraft, it's a good idea to maintain a positive balance. You can do this by following the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. Keep track of your transaction and setting up low balance alerts. And that's how you can easily turn off Chase Overdraft Protection.